Hi, it's Matthew from Quick Start Coach here to help you supercharge your success. Do you know the best way to increase your sales fast? Maybe it's getting a little close to the end of the month and you haven't hit your goals. Add more value, but don't decrease the price. Take your best selling product. Always start from a position of strength. If you need to make sales fast, then don't try to polish a turd. Now, think about what you could add as a bonus to the product that would make it easier, more effective, or deliver faster results. People want ease of use, speed, and of course, they want results. Adding bonuses that help accomplish that will make it more attractive. Try to keep the price the same, but adding on massive value. Reducing the price is generally less effective and starts you on a race to the bottom. Let's look at an example. Let's say you sell software that helps people create videos more easily. I guess I could have used one of those today. What can you add to the product as a bonus that makes it easier, faster, and more effective? How about an add-on package of graphics or video clips that they can use in their videos? How about you hold a webinar and show buyers step-by-step how to create a video in under 5 minutes? That is increasing the ease of use and the speed. How about a cheat sheet of ideas for videos they can shoot? Get over the writer's block. Brainstorm and come up with a bunch of ideas. No idea is wrong or stupid at this stage. Then go through the list and pick out a few that you can execute quickly but have a lot of perceived value. Now create a bonus page that lists everything they're going to get if they buy the software before the end of the month. Make sure that you assign dollar values to the bonuses and total those up on the page. Focus on selling the bonuses as much as you're selling the actual product. Talk about the benefits, not the features. They don't care about the specifications of the product. They care about the results the product is going to get for them. Make sure you assign a deadline to get all the bonuses. You can even put a countdown timer on the bonuses page. Scarcity is a powerful motivator. Now, promote the page like crazy, focusing the message on all the extra bonuses they get if they take action before the deadline. If you're mailing your own list, email them daily. On the final day of the deadline, email your list at least twice, maybe more. Focus on the scarcity. Last day to get $1,000 in bonuses, for example. Your goal is to turn your bestseller into a mafia offer, the offer you cannot refuse. If you do this effectively and you get it in front of enough interested prospects, you will make sales. Hope you found that useful. If you want more great training like this on the 3 pillars of success mastery, go watch the video at quickstartcoach.com/monthly. And remember, take action to supercharge your success.